Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nick. You're watching Go with. Let's get started with the video. As we all know that iQOO Neo 7 Pro has gained a lot of hype in the smartphone industry. This is all because of the great price range that the company has offered to the public. The company is claiming that the iQOO Neo 7 Pro will be available to the public at around 31,999. But I'll tell you a secret by which you can get this smartphone at around 30,999. Yes, you heard it right. That is a discount of around 1,000 plus. Stay tuned in this video that by which I'll be telling you the secret by which you can get this smartphone at 1,000 less, by which the company is claiming that is at around 30,999. iQOO Neo 7 Pro is available on the Amazon website at around 33,999, and they are offering a discount of around 2,000 rupees, and by which the public will be getting at around 31,999. This is at this time this is only for the Prime members, but as I am not a Prime member, so I got this one from the iQOO website. Let me show you a secret by which you can get this smartphone at around 1,000 rupees less. First of all, go to the Chrome, then go to iqoo.com, iqoo.com, yes. This is the home page. Now we are there on the home page. After this, we'll click this three dots and go to the e-store. Yeah, now we are here on the e-store. Yeah, this I was talking about, guys. This is the, let me focus this on. Yeah, this is the welcome gift which the iqoo.com is offering to their new customers. Okay guys, so just tap this. Yeah, whenever you'll make a new account on this iqoo.com and you'll claim 1,000 less voucher. Yes, now claim. Now you have to make a new account. After making a new account on this iqoo.com and after claiming this 1,000 rupees coupon, you'll get this phone at around 30,999. Plus you have to apply your debit or credit card which you have. After applying this, you will get this at around 30,999. Thank you. Well, as you can see that this is the bill which I got when I purchased this iQOO Neo 7 Pro from the iqoo.com website. This bill says that the price which I got from the iQOO was let me focus, that is this is, it's not focusing it properly. This receipt says that I received this phone at 30,999. Now guys, let's start with the unboxing of the iQOO Neo 7 Pro which I got yesterday only. So let's start with the unboxing of this Neo 7 Pro. I've already done the unboxing, but for you guys I am doing this unboxing again. So let me open the box. After opening the box, we'll get this big one, that is the Neo 7 Pro. You can see this Neo 7 Pro. We'll keep this aside for some moment and we'll show you some of the things that are being given in the box. That is this is just another thing. This is the ejector pin. You can see this is the ejector pin. These are some of the instruction card that and this is the case. This is a very good case. This is a silicone case, a very good cover which the company is claiming, and yes, it is very good material. Everything is according to me, it is up to the mark. And yes, this is the biggie. This is the big daddy of the phone. That is 120 watt charger. You can see this is the 120 watt charger. Very nice. And yes, this is the cable. We can see the cable. The thickness of the cable is very good. Keeping all these things aside, now let's take this main thing into the consideration, that is the Neo 7 Pro. Let me peel this off. Yes, this is the color. This is a very good color that the company has offered to the public. This is in the leather finish, but it's very good. Trust me, the color, the texture, the design, everything is totally up to the mark. I've already fixed this phone. It's a very fluidic display, and that is of 120 Hertz. And the company has claimed that we can play very heavy graphic games on the smartphone, that is the BGMI and Call of Duty and everything, on 120 Hertz, which is very remarkable, guys. And gaming phones doesn't have a very good camera, but I was testing this camera and I was quite impressed by the quality and the performance of this camera. We can record this video at 4K 60 FPS from the rear and 1080 pixel with 30 FPS on the front. But trust me guys, the quality is very good, very remarkable. In the next video, I'll be posting all the reviews related with this smartphone, so stay tuned. If you're liking my video, do hit the bell icon and do subscribe to this channel so that you can never miss a video whenever I upload the contents related with this channel. Thank you.